Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the update won't fail midstream. Make sure your device has at least 50% battery and a steady network. This prevents corruption. Once done, backup game data to cloud or local storage so you can restore profiles if needed. Next, close memory-heavy apps to free RAM and, where required, enable developer options or allowed installs. This prepares permissions and prevents installation blocks. Now you're ready to download the updated Gaming Turbo package. You download the latest Gaming Turbo build using the official updater or the in-app update function to ensure integrity. While installing, grant requested permissions immediately so the module can modify system settings. Refusing prompts halts features. Once the installer runs, allow any service or phone restarts it requests, because those apply kernel or driver changes. Make sure to let the app perform post-install optimizations. Skipping them can leave profiles partly applied. After install, you finish by reapplying backed-up profiles and running quick tests. Check FPS, latency, and touch input responsiveness to confirm improvements. If a feature is missing or unstable, clear the app cache and reboot. This often resolves conflicts with older drivers. If problems persist, reinstall the module. Make sure you downloaded the correct build. One key troubleshooting tip: clear app data, reboot the device, and reapply your profiles. This typically restores normal behavior without losing cloud backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.